One of my personal favorite color combos on a Fox body, Wild Strawberry over Titanium, 505 speed, and it only has 13,000 miles. Let's see how it performs. Today we are in a 1990 Ford Mustang GT with 13,996 actual miles. So we're about to crest that 14,000 mile mark, which is what we will do in this video. So basically we're gonna call it a 14,000 mile example, which is extremely low for any Fox body. This is a clean Carfax, clean Autocheck, no accidents or damage ever reported, and virtually a stock car with just a few minor little changes that were probably done back in the day. And we'll talk about those during the video, but it's all real minor stuff. As far as the mechanicals go, it has its original 5-liter, runs fantastic, basically a bone stock setup there. This is a 5-speed car. The clutch feels great, goes in and out of all the gears exactly like it should. No problems with first, second, third, fourth, fifth, going in and out of reverse, downshift as well. All of that works excellent. You have your standard power steering, power disc brakes, factory heat and AC. AC's nice and cold, got it on right now, works excellent, nothing to complain about there. And the drivability, it drives like a stock Fox body is gonna drive like. And this is a great combo with the colors. And again, a 505 speed. This car does have full aftermarket exhaust on it. We're gonna get on it here in just a second, but it has aftermarket headers, high flow, through cats, Flowmasters and tailpipes coming out the back. It really sounds great going down the road. We're gonna do a little pull here in just a second. I do have the original headers that will go with it. On the interior, it's the titanium interior. Seat covers are excellent. Headliner, dash, visors, all of that stuff really checks out exactly like you want it to. Center console's in great shape. There is no armrest here, but you do have your flip open ashtray door, stock style shifter. You do have an aftermarket Pioneer stereo, which is a well done install. Floor mats look good, carpet's nice, front and rear. Really the only thing to note in here is, unfortunately, as you can see here, your map light does not work properly. That is going to be the only item that we have listed as not working on this one. The Does It Work section can be found on the website pcclassiccars.com. Click on the inventory tab, click on this Mustang, and scroll to the very bottom. You will see that additional media section. That'll have the clean Carfax, that'll have the auto check, that'll have the motor numbers, all the VIN tags all the way around the car. The Does It Work section and then the little flaws will be in that additional media section. While we're sitting here waiting, the interior, we're missing one of the little plugs over here on the passenger side door. Just a little plastic plug that goes in the actual armrest as well. And then again, your map light's not working. Those are really your only wear related items on the inside here. Everything else really represents like a brand new Fox body. Odometer's rolling like it should, trip meter's rolling, tach, speedo, all of your gauges, all that stuff is functioning properly. Your factory heat and AC vents, all of those are in great condition. They move where you want them to. Factory controls work like they should as well. Nothing, again, to really note on the inside of this car. It's super clean. Got a couple cars here, and then we're gonna go ahead and get in the throttle some in just a second. We're gonna wait for this little Honda, probably Nissan, whatever that is, to go. There's a pretty good pull for us. This car does have a good highway gear in it, so you can really rip this thing all the way up to cruise to about 80 miles an hour. Obviously, getting more power out of a Fox body is one of the easiest cars to modify, but this one being basically stock, it's a really cool low mileage example like it sits. As far as the underneath goes, really nothing for me to complain about. Floors are excellent, frame rails look good, no rust problems of any kind, no real even deep surface corrosion. Does show exactly like a 13, about to be a 14,000 mile car should represent like. On the exterior, one of my favorite colors, I know all of my personal stuff is black, but when it comes to a Fox body, I love Wild Strawberry, and then this one being a Wild Strawberry over Titanium, it is a great color combo. Paint does appear to be original. You have all of your VIN tags all the way around the car. You have the front bumper, both the front fenders, the bottom side of the hood, bottom side of both the doors. The quarter panels on the left and the right. You also have the hatch and the rear bumper tag, so all of those tags are where they're supposed to be. You also have your data tag over here on the driver's side door jamb. Paint quality is nice. You do have some little stone chips that have been touched up front, a couple little flaws in the front bumper, other miscellaneous little nicks and flaws kind of around the car, a couple little faded like dark spots on the top of the rear spoiler. These are all superficial, minor little imperfections. You do also have some little flaws and little like water spots on the ground effects down low, and then on the roof itself we did not do a full 3-stage color correction on it, so there are a few little water spots on the roof that can easily be corrected. I just don't like to get too aggressive with them being original paint. That's kind of to each their own, but they could definitely be made 100% better. But overall, cosmetically, this car is excellent. It really represents very nice. Love the turbine wheels. Tires are in good shape, no dry rot, no cracking. They still have the little teats all the way around on the outside of the tires. As far as your suspension goes, does appear to be factory suspension setup front and rear. The steering, as you can see here, really performs exactly like it should. These are responsive, fun cars. That's why people buy them. That's why people build them. This one is a great example if you're wanting a brand new car that now has 14,000 miles because it just rolled over. It doesn't really get a whole lot better than this, especially with the color combo, the wild strawberry over titanium with the titanium interior, 505 speed. It's just a great example. Driving position is fantastic. Nothing for me to complain about in here. The seat feels good. It's obviously a manually sliding front seat. You have your manual passenger seat as well. All of your seat belts look good. Glove box opens and closes properly. Obviously, there's no center console here. Glass is in great condition with a few really small little nicks in the windshield. It's all superficial stuff. You do have your factory rear defrost in the back. You have your button right here. Kicks on, kicks off like it should. Power mirrors on the left and the right. Rear view mirrors clear and easy to see out of. Got your dimmer switch over here. That works properly. We're gonna go ahead and downshift to second. Get a little exhaust note. Gotta love those Flowmasters behind a 5-liter. It doesn't get a whole lot better than that. Inside the hatch, you have your VIN stickers on the inside of the quarter panels, and then you do have your VIN sticker on the bottom side of the hatch as well. The rear carpet in the very back on the bottom, there's like a tiny little hole in the carpet back there. It's super minor thing. And then you have your spare tire underneath the rear compartment in the back, which shows exactly like it should. As far as your engine compartment goes, nothing's out of place in there. Again, we do have the original headers that will go with the car. It is the original numbers matching 5.0 to this Mustang. All of your wires, hoses, belts, serviceable items like fluids, all of that checks out exactly like it should. Firewall looks good, inner fenders look great, no problems, again, of any kind. Even the bottom side of the hood insulator represents fantastic as well. Easy to shift this car. It does have the factory style shifter in it. You could go with the short throw if you want to, but there's nothing wrong with the factory shifters. AC's on, nice and cold, really enjoyable setup to drive this car. It's 90-some degrees here in Texas today, so definitely makes for an awesome driving experience with nice cold AC. You have your power windows, you have your power lock switches, all of that stuff is functioning properly. Got your hazard switch there, which kicks on, kicks off like it should. Your turn signal switch is nice and tight, your wipers work. Really no problems or issues with any of that. You have your, again, your power mirror switch over here in the center console. Again, outside of your map light not working, that's gonna really be my only complaint on this car. Then you do have a few little flaws in the paint and body. And there you guys have it. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 1990 Ford Mustang GT with 14,003 actual miles, 5.0, 5-speed, cold AC. For myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, PCClassicCars.com. Check out the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day, and we will catch you guys on the next video.